Hey guys, thank you back for Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do this smoky eye type of thing. I don't know what the fuck I did, but hope you guys enjoyed. And I still haven't decided what lipstick I want to wear. Starting off with the eyeshadow primer potion from Urban Decay in Original. Putting that all over my eyelids. Next, I'm taking the Lorac Pro palette. I'm taking that purple eyeshadow and putting that all over my crease. I have deepened it up with another brown color. Next, with my finger, I just took that purple eyeshadow and I'm just blending it with my brush. All that eyeshadow so it will just look nice. Blend your life away. Again to the other eye. And just blend, blend, blend. There's Missy. Next, I'm taking the Smashbox primer and I'm putting that all over my face. I'm taking the sky blue eyeliner from Marc Jacobs, putting it in the waterline. Next, I'm taking this blue from the Jaclyn Hill palette, putting that all over my lash line. And I'm also going to take an orange and blend that all nice together. Next, I'm going to take this Maybelline concealer in the shade Light. And I'm also going to dot where my pimples and anywhere I need to correct. I put in all of this time. No, you gon' start up a fight. This time I let you be right. I'm also gonna set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. From Tarte's Pro palette to go. Darkest shade right there. Bronze my face up. Not even, just add some color to this ghosty pale I call of skin. Next, I'm going to take the Smashbox mascara. But first, obviously, is blush. I'm going to take the Waterfall spray and spritz, spritz, spritz. That's from the C collection. And of course, Champagne Pop Becca highlighter to the gods. Yes, queen, come through. Oh, and by the way, I do use hair glue to put on my lash. It's what I use, that's what I've been using, what's worked for me. I'm done, niggas. Alright, all I need is a lipstick. Can y'all help me choose? It's a black smoky eye. Very fun for going out on a fucking Tuesday, because that's what today is, my nigga. I don't know what day y'all gonna watch this video, but hopefully y'all turning up every day like me. I'm kidding. I'm a grandma. I just stay at home and stay with my fucking cat. Anyways, enough of me rambling. Hope you guys enjoy the video.